Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your December read. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you in December, Aquarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their month of December. Thank you. Alright Aquarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh wow Aquarius, we start with the Queen of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Ace of Wands. What else do you need in life? Alright, so let's put these here. Your biggest blockage, how people will see you, and Spirit's secret message to you. Bottom of my deck, Aquarius, I have the King of Wands. Lots of action coming in December, Aquarius, it seems. Right now, I see that you are, maybe in the past you were concentrating on your money, on your finances, on, trying to accumulate wealth or, whatever you were doing in the material world. But now I see you sitting pretty at the moment, not just concentrating on money, but also yourself. Also giving yourself a lot of nurturing, loving, caring, doing things for yourself, because in the month of December, you are going places, my dear. Ace of Wands. Preparing for that. Very nice. So let's start your reading with the Ganesha Oracle card. Aquarius, let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you. Then we'll clarify all these cards. So Lord Ganesha, what do you have for Aquarius, please? Aquarius, for the month of December. Aquarius, it's too many. Aquarius, Lord Ganesha, for the month of December. Okay. And the card I have here for you, Aquarius, is Drive. Oh my god, even Lord Ganesha has like a wand or a whip or something in their hand. And this goes so well with the King of Wands, which is our overall energy. It's almost like, the same kind of effect, like moving, going places. And right under that, I have the Ace of Pentacles as well. Beautiful cards for you, Aquarius. Let's see what this Drive card actually means for you. Just give me a second. Let me just take a few lines from the book. It's number 14, which is 32. I'm sure there's a beautiful message here for you. Confidence as well as unity of purpose and control are desirable. Ganesha urges you to think about getting back to the basics. It's a great time to lighten your load or simplify your life. You may have had a tendency to overextend or overcommit to social activities. Cut back on your schedule as you can zero in on something that you're called to do. This card indicates new motivation or inspiration. Yes, yes, yes. If you've been feeling stuck in a situation or in finding a solution, rest assured the energy is going to start moving again. You do not have to choose to go alone on this path. Make sure that if you do bring others with you, that they have the same goals and objectives in mind. Pay attention not to linger in relationships or friendships that are going nowhere, or settle just because you feel obligated. This is not a time to be complacent. If you want to create changes at your work, explore what options might be. There might be an increase in finances, but this is not the time to be spending money. Bide your time and prepare for what is coming. This might also indicate that a trip or extended travel is on the horizon. Wow. So Aquarius, get ready. You're going to be going places in December, it seems. Now let's start. Okay, let's take an angel blessing card as well before we clarify the cards. So what do you have for my Aquarius gang, my angels? Blessing, guidance, advice, sweetness. Life is going to start seeming sweet once again to you, Aquarius. You're really, in a good space. King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and the King of Wands, with Lord Ganesha giving you the card of drive, and my angels giving you the card of sweetness. Well, start drinking the sweet nectar of life now, Aquarius. Your time has come. So what's the Queen of Pentacles spirit in Aquarius's current energy right now as I'm doing the reading? Well, no longer in lack. I think you're finally coming to that place where you can stop money pinching or feeling in lack. You can finally open up and do what you want. Come on, this is a huge transformation coming into your life. But be aware, Lord Ganesha said, don't spend too much because there are lots of new changes coming into your life. You may be traveling, so save up a little bit of that, okay? Don't spend all your money just because now you're feeling comfortable. So, are you going to be very soon from what I feel? What happened in the recent past, Spirit, with the King of Pentacles energy? King of Pentacles. I think you were waiting for your ships to come in. Yeah, you weren't sure. You were waiting to start something new, something afresh, but little insecure about whether you would make it or not. The goals were right, the goals were set, but there was little hesitancy in believing that you'd actually reach the position that you've been looking for, this new beginning that you've been dreaming of. But now I see, well, coming up in December, you have the Ace of Wands. So what's with the Ace of Wands, Spirit? Ace of Wands, unapologetically getting out of something that was keeping you stuck. All this, I think you're rebuilding. You're rebuilding whatever sense of stability you lost. And you have the Nine of Cups. Aquarius, that's really not fair. You're getting all the good cards. Beautiful. I'm happy for you, actually. I'm just kidding with you. Nine of Cups with the Ace of Wands. You're going to be rebuilding from ground zero up. Yes, you're no longer going to be bound down by any structure or any naysayers. You're making that decision for yourself. That choice is being made for yourself. No longer having to listen to other people, putting rules and regulations on you. This is like saying, hey, don't tell me what to do. I've made my own decision. I've made my own choice and I am ready to go. So let's see what is Aquarius still holding on to. Aquarius, you're still holding on to the Two of Pentacles. Sometimes your mind does wander. Should I not? This way or that way? Feeling a bit unsure. Spirit is saying it's time to drop that. Just drop that guard that you've been wearing or holding, or those that fortress you've built around yourself which is not allowing you forward movement, Aquarius. It's time to let go of this, okay? Don't hold on to this feeling of indecision. You're on the right path. Don't worry about it. Whatever decisions you are making right now, which is transforming your life, you are on the right track, okay? So if you're still holding on to a little bit of insecurity, whether you're making the right decision or not, it's time to drop that. So what should Aquarius let go of, Spirit? Four of Wands. Why should Aquarius let go of that, Spirit? Okay, Aquarius, you are don't stop yourself or don't delay your forward movement because of other people's harsh rules or guidelines, or if you have naysayers, maybe a mean boss or a spouse or a father figure or somebody who cuts you down, right? They're just trying to delay your progress, nothing more than that. Interact, meet up more with people who are on your level, who have the same goals and aspirations as you do. If you want to move on to that feeling of total stability, you have to be very discerning about who are the people that you... Even Lord Ganesha said that, if I remember correctly in the explanation. Be mindful of the people you take along for this journey now. Okay? Let go of people and relationships and situations which are going to stop your progress. This is what you have to let go of. Okay, so what can become Aquarius's biggest blockade, Spirit? Overthinking. Overthinking will become a blockage, Aquarius. Don't think too hard. You are already on the right track from what I'm seeing. I have a feeling that you have totally got the formula correct, and you're moving towards, with passion, with hard work, with everything perfect. So don't overthink or second guess yourself. This is like putting yourself in a self imposed prison. So don't let this become a blockage. Eight of Swords, Spirit. Yes, you are basically cheating yourself. You're going to be cheating yourself of these new beginnings if you overthink it and feeling, oh my God, if I do this, what if it backfires? What if it doesn't work out? What if this and what if that? I think, Aquarius, in the month of December, let your mind rest a little bit and follow your gut. Okay? So, how will people be seeing my Aquarius gang now, Spirit, in the month of December? Queen of Cups. I love it. Totally into self-care, self-love, very loving, very sweet, very kind, sitting on your throne of peace and serenity, but also taking care of yourself. And that's exactly how I want to see you in the month of December. Queen of Cups, Spirit, why will people be seeing Aquarius? Because you've accomplished your goals. My God, I love this reading for you, Aquarius. As the Queen of Pentacles, you are in a position of power now. You know your worth. And not only are you able to provide for others, but you're taking good care of yourself. I love this energy for you. And if you're not here already, Aquarius, and if you're still sitting in any kind of indecision or overthinking, well, drop it today. December still hasn't come. Alright, so Spirit, what's your secret message for my Aquarius gang? Tower. Some swift, sudden changes. And okay, so if you've been disappointed in your past, if you felt things are not working out, will they work out? I mean, will I ever reach that level of success? Well, a sudden change that's going to come into your life is going to remove all these pressures from your mind. It's the end of this overthinking, end of sleepless nights, end of this nightmares that you've had, feeling disappointed in something that you felt will or will not work. So what is this tower going to bring, Spirit? What's the tower going to bring for Aquarius? End of confusion. End of confusion. Aquarius, a sudden change. Maybe you've been lying to yourself, or people around have been lying to you, I don't know what, but all this confusion and naysayers, I think, are going to be a thing of the past. You are ready now. You're not going to allow anyone to stall this new beginning of yours. I think they're going to be taking this journey mostly alone, because only you know what you want, right? Your inner guidance, your time alone is going to guide you out of this confusion, out of this, what should I do, what should I do? So what should Aquarius do? Give me something else, Spirit. Oh my God, no, Ken, I'm not going to ask anymore. I know. Need I say more, Aquarius? Need I say more? Can you see this card? The Empress. That's the secret message from the universe. This is fertility, abundance, growth. You sitting, I had the Queen of Cups and I had the Queen of Pentacles, and I end with the Empress. Now, masculine, feminine doesn't matter here. What matters is the character of the card, which means that you are going to be going towards growth and fertility and abundance in your life now. And it doesn't matter who says what, you're going to be coming out, cutting through the chase, cutting through the confusion, no longer being scatterbrained or getting too much advice from people who don't want you to succeed. This, I think, is your own guidance, which is going to guide you. Keep moving ahead, Aquarius. Keep charging ahead, okay? Don't be afraid, because you're going into something very, very stable for yourself. Leaving all old conflicts behind and moving into a peaceful, happy, calm place for yourself. So December is going to be a very good month for you. So keep that drive going, Aquarius. Keep charging, keep moving. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Have a wonderful month ahead. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.